Hello everyone, a lot of you have been asking me for this amazing recipe. It is a keto lemon blueberry scone. Here it is. Here's a quick look at the ingredients we're going to be using. We have 1.5 cups of almond flour. We have 3 egg whites. We have 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Here we have the 3 egg yolks. We have the juice and zest of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to be using 6 ounces of blueberries and around 20 drops of green leaf or stevia. You will also need half a cup of water. What I love most about this recipe is its simplicity and how easy it is to actually make. What we've done here is mix together all of our dry ingredients. We've also put together our wet ingredients in this container, so if you recall what they were. We've left out the egg whites. We're going to beat those until they become stiff. We also have half a cup of water, which we will bring to a boil. All right, we add our wet ingredients and mix. Now we add 4 ounces of boiling water. There, we're going to fold in our stiff egg whites. So, real simple here. Drop them in. And then just begin to fold. Do a nice circular pattern and just fold them in until they somewhat disappear. All right, now we're going to put them on our baking sheet, which is lined with nice parchment paper, and we're just going to kind of plop them down, rest them a bit. We don't want to play with them too much, and naturally you could make them whatever size you like. They come out very rustic looking from the last batch. Here we go. We're going to get 7 out of this. You can get anywhere from 6 to 7. That's pretty well consistent. We're going to place them in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. All right, we've taken them out of the oven after 30 minutes, and look at that. They look fabulous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe.